Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT2 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, you should grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, if you have a case on your phone, take it off. And the tray will be located at the bottom of the phone, right over here. Once you push it in, as you can see, the tray comes out. And on the tray, you have space for just two different SIM cards on either side. You can use both of them or just one. Once you have your card in place, pop the tray back into your phone. And the card should start working right away, so give it a second. It's looking for reception right now. And there we go, it just found it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.